it's worked so well, but no one wants to make this. It's like, well, why not? Like could be used for everyone. Why not?
Yeah. I mean, it's the same instance. I had a guy owns a company called Stop Loss Bags, and they're like bags that have zero air in them that you can store paint and stain in. And he bought the company from the guy who created it, and the guy who created it was a woodworker. He just needed a way to store
Yeah.
his stain that didn't dry up in a paint can. And it's like,
Yeah.
the best inventions come out of necessity. So, I mean, I think it's great that you're a resource to both the woodworking industry and the finishing industry. That's awesome.
Yeah. Cause I love both aspects of it. And yeah, it's,
Man, that's awesome.